Can you believe it? You can turn bread into beer. Yes, you heard that right. People have been doing it for over 1,000 years. In Eastern Europe, a delightful drink called Kvass has been made by fermenting bread into a mildly alcoholic, tangy and slightly sweet brew. And guess what? You can whip it up right at home with just 4 simple ingredients. So let's grab some bread and embark on a journey to make history in a bottle. First up, we need 5 slices or 500 grams of dark rye bread, half a cup or 100 grams of sugar, or honey if you want a fancy twist, a quarter cup or 40 grams of raisins, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for that refreshing tangy kick, 8 cups or a bit less than 2 liters of water to extract all those flavors, 1 big glass jar and 2 large plastic bottles. I've put this list in the description for you. But now it's time to turn this into Kvass. First, we toast the bread in a regular household toaster until it's golden and crunchy. Why? Because those deep roasted flavors will give Kvass its signature taste. Think nutty, caramelized goodness, but be careful. You want it dark brown but not burnt. Once it's ready, cut it into cubes and toss it into a pot filled with water. Simple and easy. Now we boil the water, remove it from heat and let the toasted bread soak. This step is key. It lets all those amazing flavors seep into the liquid. Deliciousness in the making. We stir in the sugar or honey, then we cool it down to room temperature. Now the liquid is golden brown and already smells incredible, but we need to start the real magic, fermentation. For this, we drop in raisins because they not only contain natural sugars, but also give the drink a delightful fizz. The moment the natural yeast from the raisins meets the sugar, the transformation begins. Now we let this baby ferment at room temperature for 24 hours and let the yeast work its magic. The next day we carefully strain our Kvass and pour it into our plastic bottles. Leave some room on top. Let it ferment for 1 or 2 days at room temperature, and this is where the magic happens, giving it that natural fizz. After that, pop it in the fridge for 1 or 2 weeks to enjoy. Boom, a refreshing, bubbly Kvass. And you know what the best thing is? Kvass not only tastes amazing, but it also comes with fantastic health benefits. Since it is naturally fermented, it's packed with beneficial probiotics that are great for your gut health. Plus, it's loaded with B vitamins, magnesium, iron and zinc, and unlike many commercial soft drinks, traditional Kvass has a wonderfully low sugar content because most of the sugars are consumed during the fermentation process, so it's a perfect, refreshing hydration choice on hot summer days with a delightful natural fizz. But what if we take this even further? Instead of stopping at Kvass, can we turn a loaf of bread into a full-on beer? Now, that's a challenge worth taking. Beer is usually made from barley, but what if I told you stale bread could do the job just as well? By replacing some of the malted grains with toasted bread, you not only get a delicious brew, you also help fight food waste. Win-win. But hold on, is it really that simple? Let's dive deeper. See, grains like barley and wheat are packed with fermentable sugars, perfect for brewing. Bread, not so much. Or is it? It's already baked, meaning some starches might be harder to extract. But don't worry, with the right process we can still pull out those sweet fermentable sugars. So here's the challenge. Can we actually replace malt with bread and get a real beer? Will it taste like a smooth lager or like a soggy sandwich? There's only one way to find out. First, we toast our bread to perfection and chop it up into cubes. Just like with Kvass, toasting gives it more depth of flavor. Then we soak it in warm water, just like malted grains, letting enzymes break down the starches into fermentable sugars. Next, we strain out the mushy bits, boil the liquid, but with hops this time. Then cool it down and pitch 1 tablespoon of brewer's or baker's yeast. The magic of fermentation begins. But here's the big question. What does a beer made from bread actually taste like? Be patient. After 3 to 4 weeks of fermentation, we've got our first pour. Golden, slightly hazy, smells bready with a hint of caramel. But what about the taste? It's surprisingly smooth, malty, a little toasty, and just the right amount of bitterness. It's beer, but with a unique rustic edge. So yes, you can absolutely turn bread into beer. But if you're not ready to dive into full brewing, Kvass is a simple, delicious way to experiment with bread fermentation. What do you think? Would you try a bread beer or a classic Kvass? Have you ever brewed something like this before? Drop a comment below. And if you love beer and beer-like beverages as much as we do, hit that subscribe button and check out more Beer-tastic videos.